Donald Trump has moved court against tariff judgment. In the latest, India Today has accessed Trump's appeal in court. Trump has mentioned India in his court appeal. Trump has said tariff on India for buying Russian oil. He continues to maintain that statement. Trump has gone on to add that the tariff has been imposed on India as part of their push for peace. Donald Trump has said to their top court, without tariff, US will become a poor nation. Donald Trump defending himself in the top court in the United States, and he has moved court against tariff judgment at a time when their own top court had pulled up US President Donald Trump over tariff imposition. He has now said that tariff in India is for buying oil from Russia, and the reason he cited, he said that this tariff on India is for their push for peace. It's a 251-page appeal that has been exclusively accessed by India Today. India finds a special mention in Trump's appeal before the United States top court. Let me cut across to Nalini for further details of what this appeal mentions.
Well, so Asia, this 251-page appeal that has been filed by the Trump administration before the US Supreme Court is now with India Today. And not just that, along with this, they've also filed a motion for an expedited hearing where they've laid out an entire schedule where they're asking for an order to be passed on whether or not a stay should be granted on the lower court's decision as early as the 10th of September. So it remains to be seen whether or not the US Supreme Court will allow that. But at the same time, some very important things that have been stated by the Trump administration before the US Supreme Court. Number one, they have mentioned India separately in their appeal, where they've talked about the kind of tariffs that were imposed on India. And they've said that the reason this has been done is because India purchases Russian energy products to deal with the pre-existing national emergency regarding Russia's war in Ukraine. Essentially, what they're saying is that it's essential that these tariffs are imposed in India to ensure that peace can be maintained in a war-torn country like Ukraine. Along with that, what the Trump administration has also told the US Supreme Court is that the stakes in this case could not have been higher. The tariffs are promoting peace and unprecedented economic prosperity for America. And striking down tariffs would expose US to trade retaliation by other countries, which is something that they are not ready for. This is coming, Suesha, remember, after a 7-4 split decision of the US Court of Appeals that had categorically said that the US president did not have the authority or the power to impose these tariffs in the first place, because of which they were struck down. Now the matter has reached the US Supreme Court, and even though the Trump administration is asking for an expedited hearing, it still remains to be seen as to what the future of these tariffs are going to be now that the matter is before the highest court in the country.
Oh yes, continuing to track every development very closely. Nalini, thank you for getting us the latest.